In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print your Google Calendar directly from your mobile phone. It's a handy tip for anyone who prefers a physical copy of their schedule or wants to share it with someone who isn't as tech savvy. We're focusing on Android devices, but these steps can easily be adapted for other platforms. First, make sure you have either Chrome or Safari installed on your phone, as these browsers are best suited for this process. Begin by opening your browser of choice. I'll be using Chrome for this demonstration, but the steps are very similar if you're using Safari. Once your browser is open, head over to the Google Calendar website. You might be more accustomed to using the Google Calendar app, but for the purposes of printing, we'll need to switch to using the browser. Once you're on the website, look towards the upper right corner of your browser for the three-dot menu icon. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open up a menu with a variety of options. One of these options is to view the desktop site. Select this option. Switching to the desktop view allows you to access features that are hidden in the mobile version, including the ability to print. Now that you're in the desktop view, glance toward the top right corner once more. You'll find a gear icon, which is Google's universal symbol for settings. Click on the gear icon to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to choose the print option. This is where things might feel a bit more familiar because it's akin to printing from a computer. A new window or tab will open with a print preview of your calendar. This is your chance to make sure everything looks right before you commit it to paper or PDF. If everything looks good, go ahead and tap on the print button again. Now, you'll be prompted to select your printer if you have one set up. If you prefer, you can choose to save the document as a PDF instead. This option is particularly useful if you're planning to share your calendar via email or store it digitally. So there you go, a straightforward way to print your Google Calendar from your mobile phone. It's a simple process once you know how, and it's a great way to keep a hard copy of your events handy. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.